Okay, so we've made the 12 by 12 square cut in the roof, mock roof deck here, and we're gonna now put the mounting plate in for a dry fit for the OptiFLEX. So basically, we've cut this hole out and we just pried the shingles up, and now we're just gonna do a quick dry fit to make sure she's good and snug before we screw it and seal it to the roof deck. Okay, now that we've slid the fan up underneath the mounting plate, we also brought the cable with us because that'll be fed out to the top of the vent later when we connect it to the solar panel. You can see it's got a perfect fit in here, so all we got to do is add the top portion of the vent cover. Okay, now we're going to remove the original top that came with the Optimum vent cover by removing the 4 screws holding the top on. Before you put the top on the OptiFLEX, you want to just cut one of these spots here open so that you can feed the cable through after you put the top on the solar panel on. And now you have an easy way to go ahead and pass that cable plug through from the outside to connect to the fan. Now that the top's off, we're going to take the provided new vent cover, which allows for the mounting of the 20-watt solar panel for the OptiFLEX, and we're going to go ahead and fit that on where the original vent cover went. Once that's on, we'll go ahead and add the screws and secure that new top to the vent cover. So before you put the top on, make sure you connect the solar panel with the fan, and once you do that, you'll be good to go and put the top on. We've got the iSolar FlexLine hardware kit out with the brackets and the solar panel, and we're going to go ahead and attach these brackets to the solar panel, making it ready for mounting to the roof. We've got the brackets attached to the solar panel here, and then the knob bolt with the wing nut for adjustment. You can put them at any location based on the pitch of your roof and the sun angle. We have both of those sides on now, and the solar panel is ready for mounting